This is the power button on the remote control. Long press to power on. This controls the engine startup. This controls the engine to shut off. This controls the raising and lowering of the engine chassis. This is the lifting mechanism for the bulldozer. Stop in the middle. This is the pusher rotating left and right. This is the machine switch. Key switch. Turn the key to the right to start the engine. Turn it to the left to turn it off. This is the headlight switch. This is a voltmeter. This is a 24V charging port. Power on first during startup. Turn on the main power. Control forward and backward. Turn left, turn right. This controls the lifting and lowering of the push bar. Rotate left, rotate right. This is the engine chassis lifting mechanism. Going down means descending. Up means rising. The middle is the stop. This rotary knob controls the car's steering wheel speed. This is full gear. Turning it this way is fast gear. When the machine is cold, turn off the power first. Then pull the damper, push it forward until it's fully open. Turn the key. This is the remote control. This is remote control start. This is the damper. When you open the damper, you push the U-shaped part inward. After starting, you need to pull it back to the relaxed state, like a lawnmower. When not in use, turn off the switch, power supply, and remote control.